Welcome to the best picks. The best drying sheets is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in our laundry routine, transforming a mundane chore into a more efficient and pleasant experience by tackling static cling, reducing wrinkles, and leaving clothes smelling fresh and soft, making them an indispensable tool for anyone looking to elevate their laundry game and achieve perfectly finished garments with minimal effort. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fragrance-Free. Introducing a revolutionary way to do laundry. These sheets offer powerful cleaning without harsh chemicals, making them perfect for every wash. Enjoy a truly clean scent with our fragrance-free option. It's designed to be gentle on your skin and free from common irritants. Say goodbye to plastic jugs. Our innovative liquidless sheets are an eco-conscious choice for a cleaner planet. They dissolve completely in your wash. Don't let tough stains win. These sheets are formulated to break down dirt and odors, leaving your clothes fresh and clean after every cycle. Perfect for life on the go. Their compact and lightweight design makes them ideal for travel, camping, or small living spaces. We understand the need for gentle care. This detergent is dermatologist tested and formulated to be kind to sensitive skin. What we like. This option is completely eco-friendly and fragrance-free. If you have sensitive skin or are looking for a sustainable laundry solution, this is a great choice. It tackles tough stains and odors without harsh chemicals. What people say. These drying sheets are a game changer for my laundry routine. They leave my clothes smelling fresh and static-free, and I love that they are made with natural ingredients. I've tried many different brands of drying sheets, but these are by far the best. They really help to reduce wrinkles and make ironing a breeze. The scent of these drying sheets is amazing. It's not overpowering, but it leaves a subtle, pleasant fragrance on my clothes that lasts for days. Number 4. Smart Sheep XL Wool Dryer Balls, 6-pack. Tired of chemical fabric softeners? Discover a natural way to soften your clothes. These wool dryer balls are the perfect solution for a gentler laundry day. Experience the award-winning quality of these premium wool dryer balls. They are designed to provide superior performance for all your laundry needs. Say goodbye to wasteful dryer sheets. These wool balls effectively replace them, offering an eco-friendly alternative that works wonders. Our XL-sized wool balls are gentle on all your fabrics. They help reduce wrinkles and static, leaving your clothes soft and fresh. This pack includes 6 premium wool dryer balls from Smart Sheep. They are a smart choice for a more sustainable and effective laundry routine. Make your laundry routine more eco-friendly with these natural wool balls. They are a reusable and sustainable option for softening clothes. What we like. These are natural wool dryer balls that replace traditional dryer sheets. If you want to reduce waste and avoid chemicals, these are perfect. They are reusable and can help shorten your drying time. What people say. The sheets are very effective at reducing static cling and leaving clothes soft. They have a pleasant, subtle scent that isn't overpowering. The dryer sheets are a great addition to laundry, making ironing easier and reducing wrinkles. Number 3. Gain Laundry Dryer Sheets Original Scent. Discover the refreshing original scent of Gain Dryer Sheets. They are designed to make your laundry experience better. Experience incredible softness and a long-lasting fresh scent with every load. Your clothes will feel as good as they smell. Say goodbye to stubborn wrinkles. These sheets help reduce wrinkles, leaving your fabrics looking smoother and neater. Tired of static cling? Our formula effectively reduces static, making your clothes more comfortable to wear and easier to handle. Simply toss one in with your laundry. It's an easy way to achieve a great smelling and soft finish for your clothes. Get a generous 240 count of these essential laundry aids. Enjoy freshness and softness for many loads to come. What we like. This product offers excellent wrinkle reduction and anti-static properties. If you love a classic, fresh scent and want your clothes to come out smooth and static-free, this is the one. It's ideal for everyday laundry needs. What people say. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering. These sheets are effective at reducing static cling and softening clothes. They leave laundry smelling fresh and clean without any residue. Number 2. Bounce Pet Hair Mega Dryer Sheets. Are you constantly battling pet hair on your clothes? Introducing a revolutionary solution designed to tackle that stubborn fur. Our advanced formula contains 3 times the power to fight pet hair. It effectively lifts and traps fur, leaving your laundry cleaner. Enjoy a fresh, clean scent with every load. Not only does it combat pet hair, but it also leaves your fabrics feeling incredibly soft. Simply toss one in with your regular laundry. It works wonders in the dryer, simplifying your cleaning routine. This generous pack provides 120 dryer sheets, ensuring you have plenty on hand. Get more value and less pet hair with every wash. What we like. This option is specifically designed to combat pet hair and lint. If you have pets and are tired of finding hair on your clothes, you should consider this. It leaves your laundry with a fresh scent and fewer pesky fibers. What people say. The scent is very pleasant and not overpowering. These sheets leave clothes feeling soft and static-free. They work well in reducing wrinkles and making ironing easier. Number 1. Downy Infusions Dryer Sheets Calm Scent. Experience the calming scent of lavender and vanilla bean with our new dryer sheets. They bring a touch of tranquility to your laundry routine. Immerse yourself in a soothing blend designed to relax and refresh. This unique fragrance transforms your clothes into a comforting embrace. Not only do they smell amazing, but they also leave your fabrics incredibly soft. Say goodbye to static cling and hello to gentle comfort. Enjoy the delightful aroma and softness wash after wash. Each sheet ensures your laundry stays fresh and pleasant for longer. Get more of the scent and softness you love with our convenient 200-count package. It's the perfect way to keep your home smelling wonderful. What we like. Experience a calming scent with these infused dryer sheets. If you're looking to add a touch of tranquility to your laundry routine with a blend of lavender and vanilla bean, this is for you. It leaves fabrics feeling soft and smelling wonderful. What people say. The scent is not overpowering, it's a light and pleasant fragrance. These sheets are great for reducing static cling, especially in dry weather. They leave clothes feeling soft and smelling fresh, without any waxy residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.